Hi everyone, welcome back to the Hagerly channel. Today we're going to be looking at prepositions. While looking at these prepositions, we're going to be looking at on what scenarios to use them. Other than that, we're going to be also seeing some grammatical rules. So without further ado, let's go. From,
kälay,
with an object, with someone,
gaar,
on top,
kälay,
under,
kätäč,
until,
əskä,
to,
wädä.
Now let's look at some grammar related with prepositions. The first ones are prepositions that are attached with the noun. These ones are pretty similar with the English grammar. So, for example, if you want to say on the sofa, here the sofa physically just becomes together as its own word, which we will see in the cultural tip letter. So, here it will become sofa lie. So, the preposition is pretty much together with the noun. Other than that is when the preposition becomes a prefix. For example, if you wanted to say from, you use the letter ka. So if you wanted to say with me, you would say ka ne, which is joined up together. Other than that, we also use prepositions with time to tell after time, after some time, or before some time. So if you wanted to say after 2 o'clock, you would say ka ሁለት ሰዓት በኋላ. From the house,
ከቤቱ,
in the house,
ቤቱ ውስጥ,
to the house,
ወደ ቤቱ,
with me,
ከኔ ጋር.
ሰላም አይዛል.
ሰላም ኤልዳና.
ቁልፉ የት ነው?
ጠረጴዛው ላይ ነው.
ቦርሳይስ?
ከወንበሩ ስር ነው.
So let's see how to use definite article conjugated words with prepositions. There are two ways. The first one is adding the suffix u. The other way is adding the suffix w. It depends on the last letter of the word. For example, let's see the word bit. The last word is the sixth letter of its family. So you would say betu. So to say inside the house, you would say betu wist. Other than that, if the last letter is not the sixth letter of the family, for example, let's see, ጠረጴዛ, which means table, you would say ጠረጴዛው. So to say, on top of the table, you would say ጠረጴዛው ላይ. From,
ከ,
to,
ወደ,
on top,
ከላይ,
until,
እስከ.
You're doing an amazing job. Try to use the prepositions we learned to point out things or directions. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Until next time, goodbye.